told that a rope 15 cm was measured by a girl to be 14 cm. Find the percentage error. So first let me zoom in a bit. So this is our solution here. So a rope 15 cm was measured by a girl to be 14 cm. So the question is very straightforward. It's on percentage error. So the original length of the rope, or let's say actual length of the rope, actual length of the rope is equal to 15 cm. Alright, that's the actual length of the rope. Okay, so and we are told that the girl measured the length of the rope as 14 cm. So we can now say measured length, let's just put it that way, measured length is equal to 14 cm. Right, now for us to find the percentage error, we need to get the error from the measurement, because it is very clear here that there is an error in this measurement, since the actual length is 15 cm and the girl measured it as 14 cm. It means there's an error, a little error in the measurement. Okay, so we can now say error is equal to actual length of the rope minus measured length. Okay, so percentage error is our error, not percentage error here, is the actual length minus the measured length. So what's the actual length? Our actual length here is 15 cm minus measured length is 14 cm. So error here is equal to 1 cm. That's fine. So now we can now get the percentage error from the formula that percentage error is equal to error in measurement all over actual length. Please try and follow up. It's not that difficult. Error over actual length times 100. So what's the error in the measurement here? Is simply 1 cm. Actual length here is 15 cm times 100. So if you work this out, what we have is 6.6%. Okay, or 6.67% approximately. 6.67% as the error in the measurements. Okay, so let's quickly look at another question here. Question number 4. And this question reads, it says a surveyor measures a road as being 69.3 kilometers long. Okay, however, there is a 1% error in this measurement. What is the true length of the road? Okay, so what you're going to do is let me put down the solution here first of all. So a surveyor measures a road as being 69.3 kilometers. So let's say measured, we can say measured length is equal to 69.3 kilometers. Okay, and it says there is a 1% error in the measurement, so we cannot say percentage error is equal to 1. Okay, what is the true length of the road? So we don't know the true length of the road and we are asked to find the true length of the road. So let's call the true length of the road x. So let the actual length of the road, which is still the true length of the road, actual length of the road be equal to x, right? So what do? Using the formula for percentage error, we know that percentage error is equal to error over actual length times 100, right? So what we have to do is to find the error first of all. How do we get the error here? We simply find the error from the initial question we solved. Error is still the same thing. Error here is equal to actual length minus measured length. Okay, so what's the actual length of the rope? We don't know. We said it should be x, so we call this x, minus measured length here was given as what? 69.3 kilometers. 69.3 all in kilometers. Now we can substitute this value into this percentage error formula and then find the value of the actual length, which is equal to x. So our percentage error here was equal to 1, is equal to, now our error in the measurement was x minus 69.3 all over actual length is x times 100. Okay, so we can solve this further by crossing over this. So we have that x is equal to x minus, simply multiply x by 1, it gives you x minus 69.3 times 100, because this 100 is multiplying everything here. So we have that our x is equal to 100 multiplied by x gives us 100x minus 600 times 69.3 simply gives us 6930. Alright, so now since you're looking for x, which is the variable, we take the variable one side. So we have that we have x minus 100x is equal to minus 6930. X minus 100x gives us minus 99x is equal to minus 6930. So what we do is just divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 99 minus 99. So negative cancels negative, negative cancels negative. Our x here, this goes as well, is equal to, so we just simply divide this. You can use your calculator or whatever. So our x here is equal to 6930 divided by 99. That's equal to 70 kilometers. So it means that, let me push this further. So it means that the actual length of the rope here